We are at the New York Hall of Science. The place is filled with excitement and anticipation of the grand reopening. It's tomorrow, and they've had a journey, and here to tell us all about it is the president and CEO, Margaret Honey. Margaret, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much for being here. We are so excited to be reopening our doors.
After such a journey.
After such a journey. We were very badly damaged by Hurricane Ida, but I'm pleased to say in a little more than a year, we have the place fully back open, and we have new exhibits, new experiences. Tomorrow is going to be an amazing day.
Oh my gosh, and exhibits aplenty, as you guys have seen a few already. Now the exhibit behind me, this is never before seen. This was all made in-house, and it's going to be the grand reveal, if you will, tomorrow. So tell me what's going on here.
The grand reveal tomorrow. This is an exhibit called Powering the City. It's sponsored by Con Edison and National Grid, two of our major energy providers here in New York. And it explores the ways in which energy makes our lives possible in this big, wonderful, amazing city.
I mean, science is just incredible. Science is life. I'm very profound there. So let's get right to it. Can you demo this for us? So here's how it works.
So this is an example of one of the exhibits. This is called the Ball Run.
The Ball Run, okay.
The Ball Run, and
a lot of moving parts here.
It's exploring ideas about energy, about potential energy, the energy you start with, and what happens as energy converts into what's called kinetic energy. And as with everything we do here at the Hall of Science, hands-on, interactive, kids build, make, create, explore. So here we built
this is
a little bit of a ball run. And
the kids and the kids at heart.
Exactly.
This is fascinating. There's something for everybody here. I want to try. I'm going to grab the pink one for good luck. Not that I need luck. Wow, and how many, woo! I got the drum. Okay, how many minds and brains go into an exhibit like this?
Well, we have an exhibit department that's made up of about 12 people, and there are a number of designers on staff, and they come up with concepts, they test those concepts with the public, get everybody's input, feedback, improve upon them, and then work. In this case, we worked with an outside firm to fabricate, to make these experiences, and here they are.
And it's all happening tomorrow at your grand reopening, so can we still get tickets? Is there still availability?
There's still availability. We've just released more tickets, so you can go to nysci.org and get tickets.
That's the cool nickname for New York Hall of Science. It's NYSCI. All right, so visit their website. They're on Instagram as well. And that's not it. You have a Halloween special, if you will, coming up. Tell us about that.
We do have a Halloween special known as Dead or Alive, and we're going to have a number of special activities over Halloween weekend that are going to be amazing, that are going to get kids creating all sorts of scary, fun, interesting creations.
And intellectually stimulating as well. This has been so fantastic. Thank you again, and best of luck to you. I know it's been a lot getting here, and we're so thrilled that you guys are finally back in action.
Alex, thank you. We really appreciate it.
Back to you guys.